Alright guys, I kid you not, this is take 11 on my attempt to film this video. So please wish me luck. Hello, I'm the General, and this is lesson 3 of your miniatures instruction. It's on the concept of cover. Cover is the loose end I left you with last lesson when I was doing battlefield terrain features, because I mentioned that certain terrain, like low objects, can provide cover for a miniature. And I want to quantify right now what this whole cover thing actually is. So before you can understand cover, you have to understand line of sight. Because say in this instance, Captain Rex and the ASN assassin droid are enemies, and trying to shoot each other, which doesn't make sense. The assassin droid can actually unleash poison Calhouns on people, but say they're trying to shoot each other. How do you shoot what you can't see? So you have to make sure that you can see what your enemy is. So to do line of sight, you start with a corner of the attacker's square. Say it's the ASN droid here for the attacking purposes. He's going to use this corner. And so to do line of sight, you do a literal line, an imaginary one, or you can just draw your finger along the board to each corner of Rex's square. So a corner from here to here, from here to here, and so on. And try and find if there's one line that isn't blocked by a wall or a door, because those are the only terrain features that block a line of sight. I should also mention, a line of sight that runs along a wall or next to the corner of a wall does not provide a line of sight. So the line from here to here, next to the corner of a wall, it won't provide line of sight. But this line, from here to here, does give you a line of sight. So the ASN droid can shoot Captain Rex. Likewise, if Captain Rex wanted to shoot the droid, a line from here to here runs along a wall. It won't provide line of sight, but from here to here does provide line of sight, as we already know. Generally, if you can see it, it can see you. But there's a big difference in regards to cover, because to do cover, you do the same thing in reverse. You start with your corner, from this corner in this case, and draw a little line from that corner to each corner of Rex's square. But if that line intersects a low object, a wall, a door, or a character, then Rex has cover. In this case, doors really don't matter because there wouldn't be a door. If you have a line of sight, you probably have no doors in the way. But if it intersects another terrain feature like a low object, then Rex has cover. In this case, we have a clear line from here to here, and that clearly hits the wall. So that means Rex has cover. But in Rex's case, the ASN droid has no cover. A line that runs along or next to the corner of a wall won't provide any cover for you either. But since this line, from here to say here, intersects the wall, Rex has cover from the droid. The droid, meanwhile, has no cover from Rex, because the lines that run along the wall won't provide him any cover. So basically, a line that runs along or next to the corner of a wall gives neither line of sight nor cover. So a covered character is protected in two ways. For one thing, you cannot shoot an enemy with cover unless that enemy is the nearest enemy. In this instance, Rex is 5 squares away from the ASN assassin droid. Meanwhile, Obi-Wan is only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We don't count diagonally for range. So, in this case, since Rex is not the nearest enemy and has cover, then he cannot be shot at. The ASN droid must shoot Obi-Wan instead. Also, if you are able to shoot the enemy with cover, the covered enemy has a +4 bonus to defense. And I should note, there's no double cover. If the ASN droid were right here, great, I have to move this out a bit. If the ASN droid were right here, and there's not only a wall in the way, but there's also a low object, that still means only a 1 +4 bonus to defense. Not 2. There is no double cover. However, in this case, there would be a low object in the way, so the ASN droid would have cover from Rex if he were over here. But he still couldn't shoot at Rex, because Rex is not the nearest enemy. Okay, well that's really it for cover. Next lesson we should be able to go over what all these lovely abilities start to mean. We can start going over these, then it's force powers, then commander effects. So thank you for your time, please come back for next lesson, and thank you again.